Pragnadeepa Learning Center.
So let me name this as ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, ABCD is a parallelogram where the coordinates of A is 1, 2, coordinates of B is 4, y, coordinates of C is x, 6, coordinates of D is 3, 5. So what you need to find? You need to find the value of x and y. X ಮತ್ತೆ y value na find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು. So ಹೇಗೆ find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ x ಮತ್ತೆ y value na?
Using distance formula, sir.
Using distance formula?
Yes, sir.
ಹೇಗೆ distance formula use ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
By taking AB, BC, CD and DA, sir.
ತಗೊಂಡು A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
AB is equals to CD and we can find no, sir, as it is a parallelogram. AB
is equal to CD. Correct. But problem ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸಚಿನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so in AB, so you have y unknown value is y. In CD, the unknown value is x. So you have two unknown values. ಎರಡು unknown values ಇದೆ. ಎರಡು unknown values ಇದ್ರೆ you will get pair of linear equation in one variable ಬರ್ಬೋದು. Linear equation in two variables ಬರುತ್ತೆ, two unknowns. So ನಿಮಗೆ solution ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, ಸಚಿನ್, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
two unknown ಎರಡು unknown values ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಈಗ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ AB is equal to CD ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ,
sir, we can draw diagonals and take the point of intersection as common point, and we can apply midpoint formula and equate the.
Correct. So ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು otherwise? So you can consider the diagonals and apply the properties of parallelogram. So let us consider BD and CD. BD and CD. Sorry, BD and AC. So here you have the intersection point O. So what are the properties of parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal. What about the diagonals? Diagonals ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ parallelogram though? So diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. What does it mean? ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು bisect each other ಅಂದ್ರೆ? AO is equal to OC. AO is equal to OC. Observe here. AO is equal to OC ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ O is nothing but a midpoint of AC ಅಲ್ವಾ? AO is equal to OC ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ O is nothing but a midpoint of AC. Similarly, DO is equal to BO. Diagonals bisect each other. DO is equal to BO means O is a midpoint for BD ಅಲ್ವಾ? BD ಗೆ midpoint ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That means you can apply midpoint formula for both the diagonals. ಎರಡು diagonals ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ? You can apply midpoint formula. So ಅದನ್ನ apply ಮಾಡೋಣ. So first I will consider AC line segment. So AC consider ಮಾಡೋಣ first. So AC consider ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So you have A here. So first ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡೋಣ. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. So since it is a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಿಲ್ಯಾಟರಲ್ ಗೆ, ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಗೆ diagonals ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Anybody? ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಗೆ diagonals ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅವನಿಶ್? ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಗೆ diagonals are equal?
Sir, rectangle.
Rectangle, correct.
And
parallelogram ಅಲ್ಲಿ equal ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay. O is the midpoint of BC. BD. So now I will consider this point. First ಇದನ್ನ consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. O is a midpoint of AC ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So consider AC. So you have A here, coordinates of A is 1, 2. So you have B here. So coordinates of B is x, 6. Sorry, C. AC ತಗೋಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? Coordinates of C is x, 6. So you need to find the coordinates of O. Let me call it as x, y. Oh, x, y ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So ಮತ್ತೆ x, y ಅಂತ ಬೇಡ. O of, so let us call it as x dash, y dash. O, x dash, y dash is the coordinate points of O. So apply midpoint formula because O is a midpoint alva. You can apply midpoint formula. Midpoint formula. So if you apply midpoint formula, what you will get? The coordinates of O is nothing but x1 plus x2. 1 plus x divided by 2. y1 plus y2. 2 plus 6 divided by 2. So 1 plus x divided by 2. So 8 by 2. So 8 by 2 means 4. 1 plus x divided by 2, 4. So O of x dash y dash is 1 plus x divided by 2, 4. Similarly, so we have another point, that is O is a midpoint of BD. BD is the midpoint O. So ಇವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ midpoint formula apply ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? O is a midpoint of BD. So you have O here, you have B, you have D. So what are the coordinates of B? Coordinates of B is 4, y. Coordinates of O change ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತಾ? Coordinates of O. Coordinates of O. Same ಇರುತ್ತೆ, change ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
Same sir.
Same, x dash y dash. Okay, ಮತ್ತೆ change ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So coordinates of O is x dash y dash only. Coordinates of D 3, 5. So since O is a midpoint of BD, apply midpoint formula. So by midpoint formula, what happens? So coordinates of O will be 4 plus 3 divided by 2. So y plus 5 divided by 2. So this is nothing but 7 by 2, y plus 5 divided by 2. So ಇವೆರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇದ್ರ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಇದ್ರ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ ಏನೋ ಒಂದೇನೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So if you call it as it is 1 and it is 2 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 and 2 both are same. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? You can equate right hand side. So from 1 and 2, LHS are same means you can equate RHS. So RHS side of equation 1 is 1 plus x divided by 2, 4. 1 plus x divided by 2, 4. RHS part of equation 2 is 7 by 2, y plus 5 divided by 2. 7 by 2, y plus 5 divided by 2. Correct ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? equation 1 ಇಂದ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, equation 2 ಇಂದ RHS ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So now you can equate the coordinates, x coordinates and y coordinates. So ಇವೆರಡು equal ಆಗುತ್ತೆ and 4 will be equal to this one. So 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. 4 is equal to y plus 5 divided by 2. Okay. So 2 gets cancels. X will be equal to 7 minus 1. So 8 will be equal to y plus 5. So now x will be equal to 6. Y will be equal to 8 minus 5, that is 3. Therefore x will be 6, y will be 3. So x value ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Y value is 3. So ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇದು? So we started with parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. So ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ we use this property. Diagonals bisect each other. So by using this property, we came to know that O is a midpoint. That means a point of intersection iruttalla diagonals. So O is a midpoint for both the diagonals, AC as well as BD. So first we consider for AC. AC ಗೆ O midpoint ಅಂತ consider ಮಾಡಿ we applied midpoint formula. So BD ಗೆ O midpoint ಅಂತ consider ಮಾಡಿ we applied midpoint formula. So then we equate both the equations. We got the values of x and y. Clear? Any doubts in this question? Any doubt ಇದೆಯಾ ಈ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
No, sir.
Sir, next page onchur torsi.
Next slide. Okay. Done? ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇದು? Next question.
Sir.
Yes, Sanghavi, can you read the next question? Sanghavi.
Yes, sir. Find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, -3 and B is 1, 4.
Okay. So observe here. So you need to find the coordinates of A. So A the coordinates na find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು where AB is the diameter of the circle. So you have one circle. Question number 7. You have one circle. One ನಿಮಿಷ. So you have one circle like this. ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ. Okay, you have one circle like this. Circle ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? So AB is the diameter. You have a diameter AB. So AB ಅಂತ ಒಂದು diameter ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. So we call it as AB. AB is the diameter of the circle. So O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Okay. So they have given the coordinates of B. Coordinates of B is 1, 4. Coordinates of B is 1, 4. So we don't know about coordinates of A. Let it be x, y. But coordinates of the center is 2, -3. 2, -3. Clear? It is two question. So A is the point on the circle. B is the point on the circle 1, 4 whose coordinate is 1, 4. O is the center of the circle. So what you need to find? You need to find the coordinates of A. So ಹೇಗೆ find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ coordinates of A ಅನ್ನ?
Sir, we can again use midpoint theorem and solve.
How Sanghavi?
Sir, we can take x1 plus x2 by 2. We can take x plus 1 by 2 and y plus 4 by 2. And
ಹೇಗೆ midpoint formula ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? How you can apply midpoint formula? How you can say O is the midpoint of AB ದು ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ O?
AB is diameter, sir.
AB is diameter. So
It passes through the center.
AB diameter ಅಂದ್ರೆ O ಹೇಗೆ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
Sir, OB and
Sir,
OA are
ಅಲ್ಲಿ-
radius,
So both
radius
are radii of the same circle alva, OA and OB. So OA and OB both are correct ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. So since AB is the diameter, OA is equal to OB. Reason is radii of the same circle. So you can apply midpoint formula, or also you can apply distance formula also. Distance formula nu kuda hakbodu. Okay. So let us apply midpoint formula. Okay. So this implies O is the midpoint of AB. So to apply midpoint formula, first you need to show either the point of division divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1:1, or you need to show O is the midpoint of the line segment AB. Yavadaru ondina torisbeku ನೀವು. So now you can apply midpoint formula. So in midpoint formula, you already know the coordinates of the points of division. 2, -3 is equal to x plus 1 divided by 2, comma y plus 4 divided by 2. Correct? So you already know the points of division, coordinates of the points of division, that is coordinates of O. So x1 plus x2, x plus 1 divided by 2, y1 plus y2, y plus 4 divided by 2. So now you can equate the coordinates of x and coordinates of y. 2 is equal to x plus 1 divided by 2. -3 is equal to y plus 4 divided by 2. So the coordinates of x will be
3.
3, x plus 1, x will be is equal to 4 minus 1, that means 3. Coordinates of y will be -10. -10. Coordinates of y is -10. Therefore, coordinates of A is coordinates of A, that is x comma y equal to 3 comma -10. 3 comma -10. ಡನ್, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇದು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ? ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
No, sir.
Okay. Next one.